Welcome to the Rocky Mountains of northern Montana for a 4th of July chase of the eastbound Amtrak Empire Builder across Marias Pass. This adventure takes place where the BNSF High Line and US Highway 2 follow along the southern border of Glacier National Park, including crossing the Continental Divide at Marias Pass. We'll start in the town of Coram at a bridge across the Flathead River, followed by our first stops in Stevens Canyon and Essex. Here it is, crossing the bridge across the Middle Fork Flathead River near Coram. The power this day was P-42s 193 and 169, with a consist of a Viewliner baggage car and 9 superliners. Coming around this corner, it passes a BNSF maintenance of way yard in the town of Coram. Now in Stevens Canyon, a few miles from the town of West Glacier along the riverbank. It is passing through a short tunnel that allows the tracks to bypass a sharp bend in the river. Now in Essex, home of the former Great Northern built Izaak Walton Inn. Its latest incarnation as Loge Essex closed earlier in 2026, so the future is uncertain for the time being. The property still seems to be maintained, with festive patriotic bunting hung, and there were lights on inside, so there is hope. Essex is home to a small yard and is a base for snowplow operations in the winter. A ballast train was parked here this morning. Notice the fresh, new Phase 7 decals on this sleeping car. As the Empire Builder rounds the corner, it slows down for its brief Essex station stop, which I skipped to get ahead of the train. Our final 3 catches are west of Marias Summit, Bison, and East Glacier. The actual summit of Marias Pass is not very scenic, but I came across this cliffside curve about a mile west that was well lit, if a bit windy. Now at Bison, where the scenery starts to open up as it begins changing from the rugged Rocky Mountains to the Great Plains. And finally near East Glacier, at the bridge crossing the Two Medicine River east of town. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.